Basically, in randomized block experiments, the objective is to reduce variability in your experiment using blocking. The reason why you want low variability is to make it easier to point out any potential outliers in your design. To start off, you will have a population, and then you will need to narrow it down to a sample to block it later. Then you have something called nuisance factors. These factors are the ones we are not entirely interested in, however they are relevant because they may cause some variation in our experiment. These are the factors you want to block to ensure they do not create any variability. Then afterwards, you randomize these blocks by applying your treatment, which is your controlling factors that cause change. While you transition from blocking to randomizing, you form subgroups of blocks. Then the usual design of your experiment will consist of blocks and blocks and will look like a flowchart. Afterwards, you compare the results between your final blocks and see what you've discovered. Let's head into the examples I've created to show you what I'm talking about. A company who is engineering a new type of fertilizer wants to know if the fertilizer will help stimulate plant growth. 3 treatments will be applied containing 1, 2, and 3 bags of fertilizer to see if it will help cause plant growth. The sample size of 90 seeds will be used in our experiment. It is mentioned that soil type could influence plant growth, so to make sure we can control this, we have blocked the soil type. In the diagram, you can see 90 seeds are subdivided into 3 soil groups, which are rocky, fertile, and dry soil. This is the block section. The next step is the random assignment, in which later the treatments are applied. Finally, we compare the results and analyze which process worked best. Another way you can construct your randomized block experiment. A company who is engineering the creation of laptops wants to know how internal core processors influence computer performance. 3 treatments of the internal core processors that will be used are the i3, 5, and 7. The sample size of the experiment will be 135 laptops. It is rumored that the laptop's battery percentage may affect the result of this experiment. 3 blocked battery levels will be low, medium, and high. To prevent errors, the company decided to block this aspect of the test. In the slide, you can see 135 laptops will be blocked into 3 groups and then randomized. Once this step gets randomized, the laptops are applied to treatments. Finally, the results are compared and examined which process worked the best. In this final example, I want you to tell me what is blocked and what the treatment is. Also, I want you to predict what the outcome will be regarding fuel efficiency. Comment your opinions down below. Thank you very much, and here are my references.